Hello friends, this is Dad, and I'm going to be cooking a dessert today. It doesn't really have a name, so if you'd like, you can give it a name. It involves sugar, and if you'd rather not use sugar, you could use artificial sweetener, strawberries, and crushed pineapple. And once you get those together, you want to put them on a slice of pound cake. Or if you'd rather not do pound cake, I think angel food cake would be very tasty too. Alright, this can of pineapple has got a pop top. Be careful, those things are sharp. Get you a nice bowl. Don't worry about draining it. The juice is going to enhance the flavor and the pound cake will soak it up. I think the crushed pineapple is better than pineapple slices because then you'd have to cut them up. You could use pineapple chunks. That would work. This pineapple is unsweetened, but you could certainly use sweetened pineapple. Let's spread that around. Have it nice and even. Now you want to get out anything that looks like you don't want to eat it. Give those strawberries a good rinse. You don't know where they've been. Strawberries are fun to grow, but they rarely come out this big for me. Alright, cut the tops off of these strawberries. Use a nice sharp knife. Be careful, it is sharp. I've seen people use a spoon to scoop out the top part. Well, I prefer a knife. Strawberries are fun to grow, but you have to be careful. There's so many critters out there that like strawberries. Birds, snails, slugs. I've even seen turtles eat strawberries. There are some things you can do to keep them away, but it is a bit of trouble. And the thing about strawberries is that the older they get, the smaller the berries. I've grown them until they're smaller than a fingernail. They come out very tiny. Of course, they still have a strawberry flavor. In fact, the smaller they are, the more flavor they have. But who wants a strawberry the size of an English pea? You might as well do all the strawberries so you can have plenty. Let's go ahead and slice those up into nice thin little slices. Set them aside. And once you have them sliced up, they'll start making their own juice, especially after you add sugar to it. I like to add sugar to strawberries because, well, naturally, they're rather tart. As I said, if you don't want to use sugar, you could use an artificial sweetener. I wouldn't use honey. I think that'd just make a mess. I think if you used an artificial sweetener, Splenda would probably be the best one to use. I think those come in little yellow packets. As you can see off to the left there, I've added the tops of the strawberries to the can of pineapple. I'll probably just add some water to that and pour it into the garden. It makes nice compost. I wonder what would make a good name for this. Strawberry pineapple surprise, or strawberry pineapple pound cake. I don't know. You'd have to come up with something. Keep the slices rather thin, not too big. Alright, there they are. Now that we've got them all sliced up, let's bring them over here and put them in a nice big bowl of pineapple. Let's make layers. That'll give a nice presentation. Once you get those all spread around, then we'll start adding sugar. About a tablespoon will do. Each layer. This many strawberries, you can get a lot of layers. And once you get all the layers in there, all the sugar, you're going to want to let it marinate for a while, preferably overnight. That'll make lots of good juice and it'll be nice and sweet. But if you'd rather have it in about an hour, that would work too. Now you see, there's the first layer. Now let's start adding some sugar. Not a lot, but enough to give it a nice sweet flavor. There's 1 tablespoon. Well, almost. I know this is called a dessert, but I think with pineapple and strawberries, it's still rather healthy, even with the sugar added. And we'll add more layers. For each layer, let's add another tablespoon of sugar. This is a yummy little dessert. And it's not very expensive. I don't think it matters a whole lot what kind of a meal you've had before you have this. I think this sort of dessert works with just about anything. But I would think having strawberries and pineapple, maybe something pork related, like a pork roast. Pineapple always works well with pork. Or probably a beef roast would do just as well. It doesn't really matter. Even a nice ham sandwich deserves a good dessert. There we go. We've got good coverage. Some more sugar. Now we've got it all layered. There's that last tablespoon of sugar. A few more slices that tried to hide. Oh, just a little bit more sugar on those that we added. Now you want that to set and sort of marinate for a while to give the sugar a chance to do its magic on the strawberries. So we're going to take spoonfuls of this dessert and add it to a slice of pound cake when we're ready to eat it. And you might want to consider, on top of that, some whipped cream or Cool Whip. Or if you really want to, you could add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Let's put some aluminum foil over that so it'll marinate. At least for an hour. Better to leave it overnight. Alright, there's the whipped cream on a slice of pound cake. Do a nice yummy circle of that. There. That's nice presentation. All right. We're ready for dessert. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy this. Well, until next time.